But they say roots, chicory roots, but the plant, you can use the whole plant. So for what I'm doing, what I just saw, like Girl of the Woods do, or Woman of the Woods, I think it's what her name is. But yeah, she does that. She has a channel. And so I'm learning for other ones, you know, from others. And obviously with everything, you have to test to make sure you're not allergic to something, right? Like, because if you're, so this plant has latex, so it's natural latex though. So you have to make sure that you're, if you are allergic to like latex in general, you have to make sure that you test a plant like this first. And if you make it the way the lady made it, and she put it in vodka where you put it, you take it internally, but you only take like dropper. You know, you take droppers where it's not like shots, like as she says, right, on the video. I shared her out on my Facebook, and I think I've shared her out on my community tab before. You know, anybody can be allergic to anything, you know, anything that is edible that we already know. Like, we all have different allergies to different things, so you have to know your allergies. And you wouldn't know that unless you've had an allergy test. Unless you just test it yourself, you know. I'm going to cut this one dry piece off there. Yeah. It's funny how, like, some people that used to do this kind of stuff, they used to do like learn about natural medicine and stuff. Those same people now are like the baby boomers, and they're like so against that. So it's sad that they're, now that we have the opportunity to explore that option, they are so against it now. It's sad, I have to say. Oh, there's a flower that's all beat up. Purple flower. And it's also calming, so you can make this into a tea, and it's very calming. So you can just dry it too and make it into tea. Put it in tea bags, and you have your tea, you know. You don't have to put it in alcohol. And I'm sure there's also a way that you can put it in oils, like an oil. Shush! Alright. Now we got it all cut up. Well, if we can extend our life and be healthier, why wouldn't we want to do that, right? Be healthier and extending our life by learning how to heal our body with natural things. Not be so closed off, like, right? Like, especially those people that are so closed off, they are the ones that need it the most. So here it is, all chopped up. And I'm gonna put it in some, I have alcohol. So I don't know if you said you couldn't hear me or what, but maybe it's because I have some other things in the background. I don't know. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's find a jar. I have to see if I want jar. I want to put it in. I want to get some cool jars to do that. Not just, I have jars over here, brand new jars, but not my son has brand new jars here. He got them, but I get to use them. So we'll just grab one jar. We got jar. but I'm going to rinse it with some hot water.